Hi, this is Mrs. Rogers. I'm one of your school counselors. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Naviance. Go to the blue portal button and click. Then go to the backpack and click. Enter your username and password like you normally do. Here, go to Education Apps, then scroll down to Naviance and click. In Naviance, we're going to do a couple different activities today. The first one we're going to do is under About Me. Click About Me and then click My Assessments. Go to the MI Advantage and click. This is to help you figure out your multiple intelligences. Click on Continue and take the assessment when you're ready. Please answer all of the questions and go to the home page when you are finished. Next, at the home page, you'll go to Colleges and then Colleges I'm Thinking About. You're going to go to the Supermatch College Search on the left sidebar. From here, you can either enter the name of a college if you know a specific college you're interested in, or you can do a search based on location or academics or any of these different criteria. Once you have a certain college you're interested in, you can click on the heart to add it to your favorites list. Then click Home when you're finished. Now go to the About Me, Post-Secondary Plans and click. Then click on Game Plan. In this survey, you'll answer a few different questions about your interests so far. When you're finished, go all the way down and click Save Changes and I'm finished. Then you'll go back to My Home Screen and My Planner, and then you'll go to the Goals. Under the goals, you'll complete an academic goal, a career goal, and a personal goal. Just click in the box to add in what your goal is. Please put just a little bit about why it's important to you, and then click Add when you're done. Please be sure to do all three. And when you're finished, you'll go back to the home screen again. Then you'll go to About Me and My Stuff. From here, you'll click on Resume. Here you can start building a resume. You can click on the red plus sign. To add all these different types of things, you can just pick one or two to add today. Maybe extracurricular activities or awards or education. When you add the information you want to, then click Add at the bottom. Then when you're ready, click Print Export Resume. Click the red plus sign and you'll name your resume. You can call it 11th grade resume. Then select this default template and continue. Then it will save. If you have any questions, please ask your school counselor. You can click the home screen when you're finished. Have a good day.